The Krishnapura Chhatris are three chhatris located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. The Veer Savarkar market is located opposite the Chhatri and the area in front of the cenotaphs is used as a car parking and there is a small temple and garden behind the cenotaphs. These cenotaphs are illuminated in the night and look awesome. These cenotaphs were built in memory of Holkar rulers and their family on the banks of Khan River and are very near to the Rajwada and nearly 1 kilometer from the Sarafa Bazaar. Entry and photography is allowed without any fee. The structures were built by the Holkars as cenotaphs over the spots where people of importance were cremated, leading to them also being known as the Holkar Chhatris. All three of the Chhatris are located half a kilometer from the city palace, Rajwada, which was also built by the Holkar dynasty. Krishna Bai Holkar, also known as Kesar Bai, was married to Yashwant Rao Holkar first, and after the death of her husband and his first wife, she took care of their minor son, Malhar Rao Holkar too, and continued to play prominent administrative role until her death in 1849 AD. She was cremated at this site, and an ornate cenotaph was built in stone in her memory in late 19th century and is a fine example of the exquisite Maratha architecture during the reign of the Holkars. The walls of the cenotaph are elaborately decorated with beautiful sculptures of gods and goddesses of the Hindu pantheon wearing Maratha drapery. The arches are decorated with geometric patterns. These heritage structures are state-protected monuments, built at the confluence of Chandrabhaga and Khan rivers near Krishnapura Bridge. However, sadly these rivers look almost like a sewage canal at present. The cenotaphs underwent restoration work in 2015 and is a must-see location for architecture and history buffs. The complex contains 3 chhatris and 5 cenotaphs. Steps from the back of the site lead to the bank of the nearby Kehen River. The chhatris are made of several different types of stone and feature elaborately carved exteriors and columns. The site around half a kilometer from Rajwada Palace. The powerful family that built the chhatris, the Holkars, were originally a minor clan within the Maratha Empire. They belonged to the Dhangar caste, which originated in Maharashtra. While part of the Maratha Empire, the Holkars fought against the Mughals and the British East India Company. However, following the Third Anglo-Maratha War and the subsequent collapse of the Maratha Empire in 1818, the Holkars agreed to establish a protectorate on behalf of the East India Company in Indore. This diplomatic move established the Holkar dynasty, which ruled the Indore state until Indian independence in 1948. The Krishnapura Chhatri themselves were built in the mid-19th century to honor the deceased members of the Holkar dynasty. They are named for Krishna Bai Holkar, the wife of famed military leader Yashwantrao Holkar and the mother of Malhar Rao Holkar too. The structures are built over the spots where the rulers of the Indore state were cremated of the historic sites of Indore. Due to the site's location within the city of Indore, parts of the complex have previously fallen into disrepair. As of 2018, efforts were being conducted to clean up the area. In 2018, the Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board announced that it would include the Chhatris on a walking tour. It is very unfortunate that this stunning piece of architecture has been neglected from the protection it should receive. The quality of the craftsmanship, especially on the statues of the gods, is fantastic. This is the first place where I have seen Lord Narsimha in the aftermath of Hiranyakashipu's killing, where he is blessing Prahlada. Each of the small carvings on the sides of the buildings only praise the quality of the eye for details that the Holkars had, even when raising cenotaphs. I wish there is someone who will be placed there to protect the monuments from the dog's poop and people desecrating such beautiful examples of Indian historical architecture.